guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I requested my dad to make a dessert without eggs. So let's see what my dad is baking today in the kitchen.
Assalamu alaikum guys. As you already heard the introduction from my son, so today I'm going to make a dessert dish which will be without eggs, and it's called Basbousa. It's a Egyptian dessert dish which I'm going to make. So let's go and see how we're gonna bake this today. Okay, let's have a look at the ingredients of the recipe. I mark everything for you guys in a sequence, so come, I'll show you. So I'm using dairy cream, 2 boxes, 170 gram each. I have semolina with me, which is a granulated wheat, which is also called suji. I am also using milk powder, and then I'll be using sugar in it. After that, I'm also adding up oil, and then baking powder, sugar plus vanilla flavor, and also during the recipe I'll be using some milk and the thick cream, and for toppings I have almond slices. Okay, so let's start making that. Okay, so first of all I'm going to make the sugar syrup, and for the sugar syrup what I will do, let me just start the stove, and then I'm going to add this 1 full glass of water. Okay, after putting the 1 full glass of water, I am adding half cup of sugar, little bit more than half, and I'm putting all the sugar in the bowl. And then first I will completely dissolve this sugar in the water, and after completely dissolving the sugar I'll cook it for 3 more minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm making a sugar syrup. You can see the flame, so I'm just putting the flame on this range. Okay, don't turn on the flame on a very high level, and I'm trying to dissolve this sugar completely to make a sugar syrup. So while sugar syrup is preparing, let's go to the next step. Okay, so while the sugar syrup is preparing, here is our next step. So first of all, I have taken this bowl. In this bowl I'm going to add these 2 boxes of dairy cream. I am going to add the full box in it, first one, and then this is the second one. I already opened the caps. I'm going to add this full. Okay, now the next step is I'm going to add this semolina, full cup, slowly. And right after this, the third one is milk powder. Okay, now we have sugar, and before adding the sugar, let me make some space in it. And guys, let me tell you one thing, all these expertise I'm learning from my wife. All the 3 videos which you have watched, and this video which you are watching, all these expertise I've learned from my wife, so all credit goes to her. Now I'm adding this third one, sugar. Okay, now after that I think I am using a small bowl. I need to use a big bowl, but anyways we can manage. Now I'm going to add some oil in it. Just add like this. And after adding the oil, I'm going to add the baking powder, and this is 16 gram. So after adding this baking powder, I'm going to add sugar with vanilla flavor powder, and this is 8 gram, half of the baking powder. Nice. Okay, this is done. But after this, I'm going to add milk. Okay, that's it. Okay, now slowly and gradually I'm going to mix it up. So let me just mix it up, and then once I'll mix up everything, we'll go to the next step. Okay guys, so I'm preparing the mixture. I've added everything, so you guys can see because of semolina or suji, this mixture is little bit thick now. So I'll make it more thin, not this much thick, and I'll add more milk in it. But before that, let's go and preheat the microwave oven. So I already set up this microwave oven at a temperature of 170 to 180 degrees, somewhere between, so you can set up as per your requirement. So now I'm going to start or set up the preheat. So now it's preheating, so let's go back and make this mixture little more thin, not this much thick. Mix it up, and after mixing this again and making this mixture little thin, not this much thick, we'll put this in this bowl after adding oil, and then we'll bake. So now this is how the mixture is, not too thick, not too thin. Let's now quickly add some oil, and then quickly spread this oil everywhere in the bowl. And after that, we can quickly start adding this mixture in it. Okay, so let's just spread this all over and make a dough kind of thing like this. And I'll do, let's do like this, so it will create a proper surface. Okay, now after that, I'm going to add this thick cream in it. I've already opened it, and these are 125 ml. So I'm going to add this. So now the last step before baking, now we need to put some topping on it. I told you we have this almond slices, so now I'm going to add this. So in all the dessert, this is one of my favorite part, which I usually love to do. Okay, let's go to the baking. So I baked the recipe for 35 minutes and it's ready now. Let's have a closer look. So this is how it's look like. It's really good, spongy, you can see. And now the next step I'm going to do, which is the final step, is I'm putting some holes in it very smoothly. You don't need to do holes very hard, not like this, very smoothly. You need to do small holes in it. Reason being, after putting these holes, I'm going to put some syrup in it, which make the taste of this basbousa really yummy, sweet, spongy. Okay, now let me just add the syrup. Have the judges with us. They are going to test about the today's recipe. They're gonna like it or not. Let's see. Okay, Zaina, your turn first. Is it good? Rayyan, you can try.
Okay.
Is it yummy?
It's very good indeed.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now guys, we are going to close this vlog. This is all about today's dessert recipe. Hope you like the video. Guys, do you want to say something before closing the vlog?
Please do
Zaina?
like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe. Stay safe, guys. Take care, and see you soon in the next vlog. Bye bye.